everybody.
Good afternoon, good evening, good morning.
It's good evening. Whatever. It's whenever you watch this.
When you're watching this, you might get this. How are you doing? Good. It's been a day or two. Super sexy, Lularoe. Me.
Lularoe with Savvy Pants Shop.
Lula me, as the title says. Somebody's wondering why we are successful in every launch. Something like that.
Yeah, we are. We get them all.
We get everything. In duplicates, whatever we want, we get it. Because we know people. We have a mole. No, we don't have a mole.
No, not really.
We do not have a mole. Just a really quick, short video. Like, talk louder?
No, I said relax.
Oh, me?
We don't really get them all.
Oh, yeah, we don't. We don't. We miss some stuff. But I'll tell you why we do get them all. It's because we have intentionally and purposefully built relationships with Lularoe retailers in Central Arizona. And we've met some phenomenal people.
Close to us.
Yeah, close to us. And we know some that are further away, but this is why it works really well to find retailers that are close to you. So if you're looking to buy Lularoe, as we just told our group tonight, don't worry. Savvy Pants Shop has access to everything all the time.
What do we mean by that?
I'm glad you asked. What that means is we built a network of local retailers, and inevitably somebody within our circle, and it's a big one, somebody within that circle will have ordered something that our group might want that we didn't necessarily want to bring on completely.
Or we wanted to bring it on and we got in the queue and we couldn't get it.
Yeah, we couldn't get it. Somebody did. Undoubtedly somebody in Central Arizona
Somebody else did.
And undoubtedly we know them. We know them, or they know somebody that we know, and before you know it, we have access to virtually anything that we could possibly want.
That's right.
So we just did tonight. We showed a style that we don't carry mainline in our inventory, and we borrowed it. So we had access to that for this evening. We were able to show it in our group, which was fantastic. Now tomorrow, that stuff goes away.
So get this. I went over to her. I picked up the style that I wanted, everything that she had. I brought them all back in an IKEA bag.
Yep.
We showed them on our show.
Yep.
And then the ones that we sold, only the ones that we sold,
are the ones that we ended up buying and then selling.
Right.
So it worked out great. We had access to it. We
did an inventory transfer.
Yep.
From her to me, only for the ones that I sold. And then we go back and we bring the rest back to her.
Absolutely. And she loves it because she wanted to move some of her inventory. She was eating dinner while we were doing a show and selling some of her inventory. She is super excited about it. Our group is super excited about it because we don't normally carry that style. It's a win-win for everybody. That only works if you've built a very tight-knit, wonderful group of Lularoe retailers in your local area. If you're a consultant, we highly recommend doing this. If you're a consumer, welcome to Savvy Pants Shop because we have access to everything that Lularoe carries.
Kind of like a Lularoe takeover, which you guys have been hearing about if you're a consultant, but not.
Yeah, but not. And a takeover is where we would literally go to somebody else's house and be able to share their inventory with our group, which we do that also. Again, if you're looking for someone to buy Lularoe from, we have access to everything. Yep. It may not be the day it launches.
Eventually we'll have access to everything.
But eventually we're going to get it. And we provide remarkable customer service, so you're going to want to stay with us anyway.
Really?
It's a great idea.
For real?
That's it. That's pretty easy. It's pretty easy peasy. Great idea. Anything else?
No.
No. Oh, there's some awesome videos that we're uploading more recently, and there's a playlist called Savvy Inspiration. Check that out. There's some really cool videos. There's some really cool people on there that you guys are probably going to like to see. That's about all I got.
That's it. I think that's all.
Over and out. Check the description if you ever want to find us.
So, get into doing your Lularoe swaps and your style swaps.
Yeah.
There's lots of different ways to make this work. You guys don't have to order all the time.
Yeah, if you're a consultant, you don't have to order an entire style in 5 of every size. You can just borrow it. That's
borrow it from somebody else.
Yeah, it worked great. Our group loved it. The other consultant loved it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Yay, give it a shot.
Which reminds me it's dinner time.
Savvy Pants out.
Over and out. Be good. Love ya.
Thank you, guys.
Toodaloo.